Welcome to Island Ford Superstore. We're located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, just off the Trans-Canada Highway. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium with a shadow black exterior and black leather interior. 2 doors with seating for 4. It's equipped with so much more than just an EcoBoost engine, and our sales team can tell you. At Island Ford, we make it easy to get into a vehicle, whatever it might be. Inside, you've got door storage as well as 2 speakers in the door, power windows, mirrors, and locks. You'll see the stickers still on the Mustang applique, and you have power adjustable front seats, including lumbar support for the driver. Beside the steering wheel, you have lighting controls, and this pops out to give you a storage bin. Beside that, you have the trunk release. On the face of the steering wheel, you have media controls as well as cruise control, sync voice activated system, and this is your dash controls. It is a touch engine start, foot on the brake, key in the car, touch to start. On the face of the dash, you'll see any important messages you need to be aware of, like if you're low on fuel. You can cycle between settings, gauge mode, trip fuel, track apps, and driver assist. Each has its own submenu for you to cycle through. Off to the right of the steering wheel, you have a touchscreen interface. You're currently on the navigation screen, but you also have audio options including AM, FM, as well as satellite radio, Bluetooth, or USB. You can control your climate. It's dual zone climate. Connect your phone to talk hands-free. This is also the screen for your backup camera. Applicable apps will be connected here, and you have settings. Both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are supported. Below the media controls, you have climate controls including heated and cooled front seats, as well as front defrost, rear defrost, and max AC for those really hot days. You have hazard lights as well as traction control, steering wheel modes, which you'll see on the dash. You can cycle between comfort as well as normal and sport. And then the one right beside that is your drive modes. Again, that's on the dash. You can cycle between normal, sport, track, drag strip, and snow wet. It has a USB port located right there, a little cubby for little things, as well as 12 volts of power. The automatic transmission is a 10-speed. Your parking brake is right by your hand. 2 cup holders to see the ambient lighting rings. Open up the glove box to gain access to another USB port as well as a power outlet and a non-slip mat at the bottom. Overhead, it's an auto-dimming rear view mirror. You have a universal garage door opener and overhead lighting. 18-inch wheels, color-keyed side view mirrors, and door handles with intelligent access. Left-hand side, capless gas cap, a backup camera and reverse sensing system, dual exhaust, and you can open the trunk from inside or from the key fob. You've got that tri-lighting for the taillights, LED, and it will go in sequence when you put on your turn signals. Plenty of trunk space, and underneath the floor you've got that spare tire. Emergency release, and it's easy to close with just one hand. The power adjustable front seat will move forward, and with just a lever, it's easy to get into the back seat. You've got enough seating for 2, and they fold up and down in the 50-50 split with these handles off to the side. You'll also notice you have pockets as well as levers to make it easier to get out from the back seat. And back here, there are also hooks. Rear tinted glass, blind spot side view mirrors that are also heated and have integrated turn signals, LED headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to come on down to Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.